Good morning, YouTube. We're gonna rip the e-brake in half shell, do a little bit of donuts. Shit. Yeah, donuts. Get it. You gotta go. You gotta give it gas though. 180 donut. What do y'all know about that? Listen, I'm the best driver in the world. I can teach anybody how to drive and drift and safely. Living in Colorado, driving in snow is one thing you must learn how to do. Okay, calm down. Was that 4? And there you go. That's it, MagnaFlow exhaust. Perfect. Alright, so that's it. Another lovely day, YouTube. You already know, just got the motor installed in the bay of the red car. Coca-Cola Civic's coming up here pretty soon. Just took all the parts I need over to fix Michelle's clutch, so I'm gonna call a buddy and see what he's doing, and see if he can help me adjust the throw of it. And not too long, a couple more days, you guys, and we'll bring the white one home. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe.